What's up, bike bros? We are back here with another video. We are in the shop over here. It's kind of messy right now, pardon that. But today we're gonna test out some coating. Oh, we got Bear back here. We got some coating products right here. See, you could buy, Cerakote and stuff. Buy a gun to Cerakote it with, and then do all that nonsense. Or you could just go to AutoZone or O'Reilly's and pick up some engine paint. We're gonna test it out today. We're gonna test out these coatings. Each bottle's like 10 bucks or something. Here we got the black here, and we have like a bronze color and a clear coat. So we're gonna test them out, see how well they look, and eventually a durability test to see how well these coatings hold up to like Cerakote or powder coating. All right, let's get into it. All right, so here's my little spraying setup here. We have this Honda cover, clutch cover. We're gonna try to hit it with the black. I think there's a little bit metallic black. We'll see how it looks. All right, so preparation, we're just hitting the parts with a Scotch-Brite, just get all the old paint off, and then hitting it with simple green as a degreaser, and just drying it off with a towel. No primer. See how it works. Alrighty, so I moved it over to the workbench. Check that out. That looks so sick. It's got like little metallic flakes in there. I think it just looks sick. So I'm gonna let that dry before doing another coat. Just look at that. And then on this one we got the bronze. It looks more like a gold though on camera. Look at that. Just one coat on each of these. Alright guys, after letting the coating dry, here's the final product. So here's pretty much what the cover looked like before. Just super ugly, dirty. And then $10 later. Look at that. Alright, so I'm editing the video right now, but here is the cover mounted up. Looks pretty dope. A lot better than it used to.